cans. Ryder has to leave at 10:30. That's way too early. So.
Oh.
Good job, bud.
That shoot one.
Mm-hmm.
I want to knock it out. Oh.
It's on full auto, so as soon as you push it, it's gonna go.
Wait, so we got.
I think that's all. When I bought this, you were like, "Eat kitchen."
So do I shoot over here?
Shoot them up that are standing up, the big bunch of them. Keep going. Did you see that?
I saw it.
You gonna get the ones in the tree, Cole?
Oh yeah. Cole's a good shot.
Woo!
Yeah.
Good job.
One out.
Keep going.
I knocked it.
Go, dude.
Make sure to like and subscribe to my
Yeah,
channel.
nice shot, dude.
Oh, look
Yeah,
at Ryder.
Ryder's got it figured out.
Good job, Ryder.
Smash.
Yeah, nice shot, buddy. Yeah.
Knock it out. Knock it out. Knock it out.
That's ready to go. Remember, pull the trigger hard. You hit it.
Like and subscribe to Cole's channel.
All right, cool. Try to shoot that big one and knock it over. Shoot it in the top.
Woo! You got it.
Okay, so we're going. I have her turkey over there. Ryder, where's yours? That's the problem. It's right here, over by this one facing this way. That little bottom one right there. It's my impossible.
All right,
son.
Cole, shoot your hard. Yeah.
Woo!
Oh, there you go. Oh,
Oh.
look at you, dude.
Did you
Do whatever
see
you
that?
want. Yeah.
Get it, Ryder.
Yeah.
Good job, bud. Woo!
Ryder's a sniper.
Oh, you got the one in the tree. Good job. Strong one. Strong work.
Anyway, guys,
Like an adult throws a bowling ball.
my friend Ryder's gonna leave, so I'm gonna say bye to him. Bye, Ryder. Bye, Ryder. See you tomorrow at school. Okay. Anyway, so make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you on the next video.